From the heart of Italy, LA to my cozy kitchen, let's make this soul-warming mushroom ravioli. Think shiitake mushroom, broccoli florets, cherry tomatoes, and of course onions and lemon. I started by sauteing thinly sliced onions, minced garlic, and shiitake mushroom in a splash of extra virgin olive oil, then added a knob of Vital Farm unsalted butter for that rich velvety base. Rock salt, black pepper, and chili flakes. Handful of spinach. Let's make a simple, soul-hugging tomato garlic cream sauce that melts in your mouth. Once the tomatoes softened and started falling apart into chunky sauce, I poured in a half cup of milk to turn creamy, velvety, and rich sauce. Brown sugar. Meanwhile, I boiled the fresh mushroom ravioli from Italy, cooked just until tender. Toss it all together, let the sauce help the ravioli, and top with torn basil leaves, fresh squeeze of lemon juice, Parmesan cheese, and of course the star ingredient black truffle, and a dash of olive oil, and there you have it, it's ready. Simple, soulful, and bursting with flavor.